3.
So we're ready for the big reveal, the little piggy reveal. Whoop, mine didn't work. You gotta get it hooked in there. There it is. You ready? Sure. So let's set it right here.
Oh, ho, ho. Oh my goodness.
Dang, that's hot.
Oh, that's just about right. Beautiful. I think we had room for her head. We should have left it on there.
Oh well.
Sumptuous. Okay, Jeff.
You think she's done?
We can take her out like this. It's
Is
gonna
this
be
yellow
hot.
thing supposed to be there?
Yep, that's
Okay.
just to catch a little extra
Okay.
juice. It'll fit over there.
Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
So come this way a little bit.
Wow, that's hot. Okay, we're good.
Okay, taste it.
Wow. Let's unhook it.
Okay.
Jeff, these S hooks just, you don't burn yourself.
Yeah, that's it.
He's got wire cutters for those.
That did keep it together nicely.
He's got the wire cutters.
Yeah, you gotta get in the middle of the cut blade or it won't work. You gotta get in the middle, back out just a hair. There you go. Okay, then just pull the rest of it. Got one here. You get it.
Oh my goodness.
Got an S hook here. Wait a minute, push down. Golly, that's hot. Wonderful. I think that's it. Shake her loose. Okay, that's good. Let me cut loose some of the cracklings.
Oh my
There,
goodness.
there.
Oh, there's an S hook. There we go.
That stuff is golden. Okay, you got it? Beautimous. Beautimous, beautimous.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Well, you want a little piece with a little bit of the skin like that, and a little bit of that hind roast
Look at
right
that.
there. Wow, that's so hot you can't touch it. Can't touch this. It's gonna be too good. It's so good it's falling off the knife. My goodness, I'm gonna have to call the surgeon.
You want me to get it for you?
Get it. I got it. Here's a test. Marinated by God.
Barbie, she's a
Oh.
good.
Barbie's good choice this year. Beautiful. This will feed about 50 people. And I want to tell you, Merry Christmas. God bless you. We love you. Bye.